Hi, welcome back. This topic is all about how carefully you have to spend your money to become SAP professionals. If you want more suggestions, you can find 500 plus videos content in my channel. You go through each and every video, you will be happy, you will be excited. Okay, what is today's topic? Let's read this. How much we can pay for SAP training to become SAP professional in 2023. Okay, you got it out. Why you are specifically pointing out 2023? So we are now in September. If someone is watching this video, October, November, December, till 3 months left. Probably you can consider this one for next year, 2024 and 2025. My suggestions, if you are really valid, if you already lost job, I have also one solution. Okay, so your trainer is bad. I'll do that at the end of the video. Okay, let's quickly getting into the topic. Let's don't waste our time. How much you need to spend to become SAP professional? Okay, I'm telling you, it's the fact, it's not myth. Okay, so Pandaba institutions, like small institutions, those are coming. If you go to the Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Amirpet, and if you go to Bangalore, it's like it's growing like faster, tasty mushrooms. Don't worry about that. I like mushrooms, but don't worry about that. If you like it, you can comment it. Okay. So in these institutions also you can join it, but you can able to pay up to 8,000 to 16,000. Don't pay not more than single rupee for these institutions. They are creating so much of hype, like 20k, 25k. Don't do all that. Do bargain, catch hold of old students in that institution. You can learn that something you will get it, okay, but not fully by institution. They're doing more show off because they have the banners, they have the templates, so they have a receptionist, and they have that course coordinator, and they have training lab. There have a lot of selling points. If they don't tell proper subject or not, that doesn't matter. So what you have to do, I will tell you. If you already trained in a Pandaba institution, okay, so it's a weird word, Pandaba, but still I can call, it's my wish. Okay, small institution. Okay, Pandaba means in India it is popular. If some foreigner watching, he don't understand Pandaba, right? Small institution. Okay, don't go and say that your institute is Pandaba institute, you will be in trouble. Okay, you can able to pay how much? Remember, 8k to 16k in between. Okay, next, professional institutions, ATOS, SAP, and if you go for top institutions will be there. They won't allow you to bargain because they will tell the biggest figure with certification. It starts from 1 lakh to 4.5 lakhs. Okay, so but what is the advantage? You will get very good classroom environment and good experienced theoretical instructor, but not practical instructor, by the way. Probably you might find, but they will run the course. Suppose you're supposed to learn the course in 3 months or 2.5 months or 45 days, they will finish just like that. Within 25 days, they can 100% help you. If you follow them, you will get professional certificate as an SAP consultant, but again, tough time in your job trials. Real-time trainer, excellent and best option, but be careful with these guys. Okay, professional institution, they don't give me any gap. That's what I'm telling. They, whatever they quote, you have to pay. Okay, real-time trainer, very careful with these guys. Hey, don't think about me. I'm good. I'm already proved. If you want to find me, you can find me Udemy, my courses at cheaper rates. Okay, so other real-time in trainer deceiving trainers, they will show the rainbow. Okay, I will give this, I will give that, I'll give that. Whether he is properly first experienced or not, you don't know. Some guy joined on 3+ or 4+ years of experience. He worked for 2 years. He knows nothing if you don't have passion. some guys with, see, in our daily life, some people with a lot of luck, they're exploring the things, right? Such kind of people, suppose if you got as a trainer, you're gone case, your money, be careful with these guys. Okay, so rather than remembering, if you don't do groundwork, don't approach these guys. If you do groundwork, he is a top. See, it's not all about top. Some people can be top, but according to the 2023 or 2020th century trend, he is explaining or not, it matters. I can explain, okay, but I'm not doing any training. That is different story. Otherwise, I would have invited all you people. You can come and enjoy my training, but don't miss me. You can find me in Udemy. Okay, so self-learning. Why 3 times showing, 4 times showing, 5 times showing? So cheapest option would be and other courses. If you really wanted to get trained yourself on SAP SD, not other modules, probably some other folks also will be there. What you have to do is just create an Udemy account. You've already trained, you lost somewhere in the sea. I'll take you back to the banks of the sea so that you can travel, you can go walk and catch a bus and go and wherever you want, or else you can try other commutation, train or flight. It's up to you. But if you are really somewhere in the sea after getting training from other institutions, please get into my courses. It is 107 reviews and it is 100.5 hours SAP SD ECC. And S4 HANA, if you want introduction, some courses, some depth courses I have. Getting master to write functional specification, that also you can try. This is very, very important. Want real time? Get into this course. How to write business documents. You can learn irrespective of any module. Stock transfers, intercompany sales, SD business process, and cross-module integration, ECC and S4 HANA also I have done 2 courses. And S4 HANA intercompany sales and consignment sales, if you want, you can try. Okay, SAP ECC S4 HANA. This is my top course, and it is going to be the top, no doubt. I have explained SAP ECC all standard pricing concepts. Okay, why I have done? Because already this is got successful. Okay, if you want to real SAP SD professional or S4 HANA pricing professional, better try this course and this course. And don't forget rebates, this course also. You would like to know FSCM integration, your SD settings move to FSCO, nothing will happen. You can get there. That you can learn from S4 HANA. What are the SD settings you have? If you want transportation basics, you try this. And you want real-time idoc training, very, very important. So getting master to write functional specification and this idocs. You try this, it will work for you. Okay, so all these are different courses. This is the cheapest option as of now. If you want to try in other ways also, there is no problem. So other instructors also. Okay, so if you are in Pandaba option, you are failing because of IDA questions and some other questions, you don't have depth in basics, you try my courses in Udemy. And a professional institution, you tried, you already certification holder, but you are not able to do practical interview with the depth of SAP SD. You can try my Udemy courses. Real-time trainer deceived. Then also you can come back to me. So I'm not selfish. You can go to the all above options, but still I'm telling the consequences. If someone get failed because of their karmic cycle, we cannot do anything. Okay. So not started, want to do self-learning. So you can do this thing also. You can try my Udemy courses before going to the institution. If you really wanted to get trained by me, comment. I'll get back to you. Okay. So still now I'm not started. Seriously, this is instant thought came to my mind while doing this video. Okay. Last 3 years hard work, 100 hours I have done in SAP SD course. If you want, you can try each and every course. If even it is a bit lengthy also, learn properly, train yourself properly, and invite for you for global SAP interviews and get a job and enjoy your life. Enjoy means take a time for enjoy, but in job also you have a fighting. We'll discuss what exactly will happen if you become a consultant. I'm not giving fear, I'm just giving encouragement. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Have a great day.